Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science and every product gets a thorough, honest look. Today, we're exploring a tool that promises to give you a range of curls and waves with a single kit, the CHI Interchangeable Curling Wand, which comes with 3 barrel attachments, a 1-inch, a 1.5-inch, and an inverted tapered barrel ranging from 0.5 to 1.25 inches. It's designed to deliver versatile curls from tight ringlets to soft, flowing waves using CHI's signature ceramic and titanium-infused technology. When you first get your hands on it, the kit feels solid and thoughtfully put together. The barrels click on and off with a satisfying secure mechanism, making it easy to switch styles without fumbling or risking burns. CHI's ceramic technology is in full effect here, offering even heat distribution and reducing the risk of hot spots, which means fewer frizz and smoother results. The addition of far infrared heat and negative ions aims to keep hair healthier and shinier, and in my experience, it does a noticeable job at giving hair a polished finish without that crispy, over-styled texture some curling irons can leave behind. Using the wand in my daily routine was surprisingly straightforward. I tested all 3 barrels on medium-length, slightly layered hair. The 1-inch barrel created tight, defined curls, perfect for a more structured look, while the 1.5-inch barrel gave soft, voluminous waves that are effortless and romantic. The tapered barrel is ideal for those who want natural-looking curls with varying widths along the strand, mimicking a professional salon finish. I appreciated the non-slip handle and digital temperature control, which made it easy to adjust the heat, precisely for my hair type. Pros? The versatility is undeniable. You really get 3 styling tools in one. The ceramic and titanium-infused design keeps hair smooth and shiny, and the barrels heat up quickly and consistently. The interchangeable system is user-friendly, even for someone like me who prefers efficiency during a busy morning routine. On the flip side, the wand is slightly heavier than single-barrel irons, so extended styling can feel a bit tiring. The digital controls are precise, but there's a small learning curve to get used to switching barrels safely without touching the hot surface. In terms of value for money, this is a mid to high-end curling kit. Considering you're essentially getting 3 curling irons with advanced technology in one, the price feels justified. If you're looking for a simpler, budget-friendly option, single-barrel wands from CHI or similar brands can still give good results, but they won't offer the same flexibility in styling. Compared to other interchangeable curling kits on the market, CHI stands out for its combination of ceramic and titanium technology, consistent heating, and overall build quality. Some competitors may offer similar barrel variety at a slightly lower price, but often at the expense of even heat distribution or hair-friendly features. CHI's materials feel premium, and the barrels are built to last, with minimal risk of warping or coating wear over time. I haven't had to contact CHI's customer service personally, but the brand has a strong reputation for responsiveness and support, which adds confidence in your purchase. If you've been seeking a curling kit that gives you salon-quality results at home while being gentle on your hair, this CHI Interchangeable Curling Wand is an excellent choice. It caters to different styling needs, protects your hair, and is durable enough to last for years. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. The link to purchase this curling wand can be found in the comments or description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.